Hey there YouTube, do you want to give away all of your hard-earned savings to a scammer? Stay tuned to hear some ways to detect the scams and stay safe online. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary describes a scam as a fraudulent or deceptive act or operation. Basically, someone trying to take your money without a physical threat. I receive some form of scam, usually via email, about 5 to 10 times a day. Thankfully, most of these end up in my spam folder and I never actually see them. Some though do slip through, so I thought I'd take a moment to have a look at a few and explain how I recognise them as scams. The first 3 points I look at are, is it too good to be true? This is a simple one that people often forget, be it due to greed or some other blindness. We forget the basic internal fact check. If it seems too good to be true, it's probably a scam. Secondly, what do they want from me? Usually it's clicking on something or a request for personal information that they can use to scam you in some other way. And thirdly, where are they trying to lead me? This is in fact almost the easiest one to spot. Did you know that simply by putting your cursor to hover over a link, most programs will display either as a pop-up beside the cursor or down the bottom left or right corner of the screen the address where clicking the link will take you. If it doesn't match up with what they're saying, it's time to be on high alert. Here are some examples that I've found in my spam folder this week. The first one, other than the warning that Gmail has posted, the obvious thing for this one is that it's from the Canadian Tax Office, and I live in Australia, so it's clearly a scam. The second one is from a well-known big Aussie company, the hardware store Bunnings. But hovering over the link shows that the link will take me to a website called work-careersservice.com. Nah. The third example, a job that earns $35,000 a month. That fails the too good to be true test. These are just a few examples from emails I've received in the last few days. I hope that was really helpful for you. At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to guide you each step of the way to help you feel comfortable with your computer. Come back every weekend for new videos and please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for each new episode. Leave your questions and comments below. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.